There are people out there that do not believe Cardano will make it. They think it is a ghost chain. They think it's a zombie chain. They do not believe adoption is going to happen, and they believe it is going to fade back into the darkness from whence it came. But 2023 offers a unique opportunity for Cardano. There have been many developments going on behind the scenes that really may help bring Cardano to the forefront of all chains in crypto. Now, this is going to be starting very, very shortly, and the headliner to really get things going is JED. Now, JED, if you're not familiar, is the algorithmic stablecoin. It has 400 to 800% collateral backing it, and it is going to be the first of its kind in the Cardano ecosystem. It's going to really help bring things full circle. It's going to eliminate the need for a bridge. It will make Cardano self-sufficient and not reliant on other chains. This is a big deal because this is something that Cardano has not had before. This has been in development for quite some time. If we look back at the history of Cardano, it was launched back in 2017 and really didn't even start receiving functionality until 2021, when you were able to start developing smart contracts. dApp development really hit home in late 2022 with the launch of the Vassal hard fork. Cardano arguably is just starting to hit full stride. We are really starting to see the entire infrastructure come into place to help support the ecosystem as it continues to grow out, whether that be from IOG development or from members of the community developing. There are other things coming as well. There's a sidechain toolkit that's coming in January. Hydra, layer 2 solution for scaling, is coming as well. Lace Wallet, which is going to have Web 2 and Web 3 integration in it. USDA, the first ever fiat-backed stablecoin, the only regulatory compliant one out there. There's so much more that is still coming as well. Full governance, Midnight, a privacy chain. There's even more things beyond that, but the entire Cardano ecosystem is really budding at this time. And it's at a time where it may be needed. Cardano fixes, or at least answers, a lot of problems that are currently in the crypto space, right? When we look at chains like Ethereum that have gas fee issues, when we look at Solana that's got shutdown issues, when we look at other chains that have scalability issues, Cardano answers these solutions or answer these problems with solutions. It handles all these things perfectly. Now, whether Cardano will take hold or not depends on the community, depends on the users, depends on the developers if they want to actually build on Cardano. But times right now are showing that this is happening. In fact, if we reference the monthly GitHub reports, Cardano has been crushing it for over 6 months. It has been one of the top developing chains for over a year, and this doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon. So could 2023 really change the direction of Cardano? It absolutely could. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. Definitely do your own research. But the opportunity ahead of Cardano is a big one, and we'll see if they can take hold of it. But we appreciate you guys, as always. Definitely show your support here for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.